Hello everyone, welcome to Cookroid, and my name is Saurabh Kukreja. In today's challenge, we will learn about linked list, what they are, and we'll do this simple challenge. So to understand what linked lists are, I'll use the whiteboard. And linked list is basically a connected list which has a data as well as a pointer to the next list, right? It's not like arrays have sequential, and you can go to any index and get that element, but in linked list you have to traverse the whole linked list to reach up to a point. So let's say these are different nodes of a linked list, right? These are called nodes, and every node has two properties. One is data, which is like the first part of it, and then second is node itself, which will point to the second node or the sequent node. Then again, this node will have its data and a pointer to the next node, and this node again will have data, and it doesn't, like, let's just say that our linked list is of only three elements, so this will be null. Right now, if I come to our problem statement, the problem statement says that we already have a node class which accepts data and a pointer to the next, a pointer named next. What we have to do is we have to complete the insert function, and so that it creates new node and it inserts it at the tail of linked list, right? So what does that mean? So let's say for the first element, if you forget this block, oops, let's forget about this block for now. So it only has one element, right? Forget this one. It only has one element. So that's it. We insert the new node at the head, or you can also say at the tail, because it doesn't had any, like our head was empty and we just inserted our first element. So you can say head and tail both are same. Now we have one over here, we got one. Now you want to add two at the back, or you call it tail. So what you will do is uh, we will iterate through the, we will traverse through the list, and we will see wherever there is null, we will add a new node. Make sense? Yeah, okay. So we will traverse, we will see whether this is our head right now. We will see whether head dot next is null or not. Right now it's not, because it contains two. From now our head is here, we will see, does head dot next have is null or not? It's not, because it contains three. Then this is our head now. Our head is this right now, h. Now we will say head dot next is null, right? So what we will do is we will create a new node, let's say 4, and we will say our head dot next is equal to this node, and this is null now. So that's how we keep on adding our nodes to the back or to the tail of the linked list. Now to see it in a problem statement in the code wise, what we will do is, this is our method insert which we have to complete. So what first step what we have to do is we have to create a new node. So that is simple. We have node class over here, and it takes data as a parameter as a in a constructor. So what we will do is we will say node new node equals to new node, and we will pass in data as a constructor parameter. So our node is ready. What is this node? This part is ready, right? And if you see, the next of this new node is always null. Now what we have to do is we will see whether the first element, whether the list is empty or not. So how can we check? The first element that we will receive, we will see whether it's a null or not. And if it is null, what we'll do is we'll simply return new node. right? Now, so what will happen? Consider again. So this is our head. There is no element. We got the first element. We created the node, and now this is our head. Now this is our head. That's it. Simple. Moving on. Now what we will have to do is, if it's not null, that means there is already an element present in the list. We will loop through that list and we will say while head dot next is not equal to null, we keep traversing and we say head equals to head dot next. So once we have found that, okay, our head dot next is null, which means our pointer is here right now, at the end we will say our head dot next will come out of the loop and we will say head dot next equals to new node. Now we should have created one more node to take the reference of our current head. We'll call it current head equals to head. It's kind of you're making a different copy and then you simply return current head. That's it. That's how we insert a node at the tail. Let's try to run it. Compilation error, head dot next. Okay. Yes. We'll submit it. So the basic thing is this is how we iterate in a linked list, and we'll see whether the next node is null or not, and if it is, we will simply point our pointer to the new node. That's it. That's a basic simple linked list challenge. See you again for day 16 challenge. Thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned.